Hi guys, it's still your guest, Dimas and Craft, and today on this series I'm here to show you some pictures that makes this animal stand out among other animals in the bush. This is an antelope, a live one. As you can see, the live antelope. Hey baby, the live antelope. If you take a look at the mark on the forehead, this black mark, this is an ancient African mark that ancient people used in those days over years ago. This is exactly my face. If you look at my face, you can see the same this mark on my forehead and on my face. If you take a look at the face, that's exactly look at where it started, here at the black mark, exactly on my face. So this is one of the prettiest animals in the bush. Antelope is one of the prettiest animals in the bush. Then you talk about the skin. The skin is very, very strong. Oh, they use in making African drums, Iba. Because of its strongness, they use it on the drum, and no matter how you hit the drum, it will never break. Even when you cook this animal, the skin is very strong. You find it difficult to chew it so easily because the skin is very, very strong. Then another thing that makes this animal very, very unique is how the animal drinks water. It doesn't drink water through the mouth. If the animal feels thirsty, the antelope will walk straight to the river and take a look around to make sure there's no any other animal that can harm it. Then the animal will go straight to the river and drink water through the leg. Through the leg. It doesn't drink water through the mouth. It drinks water through the leg. Once it steps into the river, it stands inside the river and drinks water. Then there's this tale again about this animal that it says that awesome Badabunugu. The animal enjoys running on the hill and the slopey area. That's one thing about this animal. It's one of the animals that enjoy running on the hill than a slopey area. So those are the things that make this animal very unique, just as the animal is. This is an antelope like life. Just say hi to them. Stop, stop. So that's it for today. So the next time I will be bringing you another series on another animal again to show you how unique these animals are and things that makes them different from other animals. Thanks for watching today's series. I still remain your girl, Dima and Craft. Thank you.